What was your experience like working with the NMC team?
So the first thing I would say that why NMC even got the foot in the door was basically your relaxed approach, right? You were working with a neighbor across the street. You came over, super relaxed, super easygoing. Said, "Hey, want me to take a look to see if you got any damage from the storm?" As you were doing that, I was doing more research on NMC. Found out you're a family-owned company. Saw you guys are involved in the community quite a bit. Had a lot of good testimonials, and I said, "All right, well, we'll see what happens."
Yeah, and that's what's great about NMC. We are a team, but Pam, the color choices you made are incredible. I mean, the blue jumps out. Tell me a little bit about your experience with the roofing and the siding, how you came to the color selection.
Well, it took a little while, and you came out several times with a lot of different options for us that we had to mull over. But we just wanted to do something really different from what it was before, kind of a washed out yellowish color, and thought, this goes well, and I think we're super happy with it. I love the dark shingles with the blue, and yeah, I think it turned out great.
Yes. What makes NMC maybe a little different than other companies? What challenges did we have with your project?
Oh boy, it's funny. When this first started, I've never had a home claim before, so I didn't know quite how involved it was going to be with the insurance company, mortgage companies. I knew there'd be inspectors, suppliers, subcontractors, etc. And I don't know how unique this is, but I will say this: NMC has specialists in every role to take you through whatever is needed to navigate the project, right? From estimation and negotiation with the insurance company, Kurtis, to an account specialist helping us work through all the paperwork with the insurance and mortgage, to a field supervisor making sure everyone has what they need and everything's going smoothly, overall project managing yourself, making sure everything is moving along. The funnest moment was some of the lunches that we would have during the roofing or siding, right, where we were having lunches with you and Keith and the roofers or the siders, and Pam and I would come out and just sit around the table and have lunch together. So that was a lot of fun.
Oh, that was a lot of fun and great food, and you changed it up. You fed everybody. We appreciated it. I mean, I couldn't believe that. It was so good.
Well, we are always, whenever we have someone doing something for us, we want to make sure we take care of them, because we know then they're going to go the extra mile to take care of us. And we have enough nooks and crannies in this place. We know it was taking extra time, extra custom work, and we wanted people to feel good about going the extra mile.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
I just want to mention too that the teams that work with you, I felt like they were craftsmen. There were so many little nuances to our project. A lot of just custom work that they had to do, and working around some of our special areas, and they just all did it. They had no objection. They just jumped in and did what needed to be done to make it look great, and so we were really happy.
On behalf of everybody at NMC, this is pretty special.
Yeah, no, thank you. I couldn't have been happier with who I ended up picking, given how complex everything ended up being with the scope of the work and all of the complexity. I'm sure a lot of contractors would have done just fine, but I feel very fortunate that I ended up picking you guys as a partner, and I highly recommend you. And I do recommend you. So
Thank you.
People ask, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.